Welcome to Infi Fin. If money decisions confuse you, stress you, or just feel overwhelming, you are in the right place. This channel is all about giving you clarity with money, step by step, without complexity. This channel is for finance beginners starting from zero, for young professionals who want to build real wealth, and for anyone tired of feeling lost when it comes to money decisions. If you want simple explanations instead of complicated finance jargon, this channel is for you. We follow a clear, structured journey. First, we build a strong foundation, emergency funds and money basics. Then we move into investments like mutual funds, stocks, and gold. After that, we focus on protection, insurance and estate planning. Finally, we go advanced with tax optimization and retirement planning. No shortcuts, just a solid roadmap. Here is what you can expect. Every Tuesday or Thursday, one clear finance lesson. Every month, a portfolio review template. Every quarter, a progress check-in to keep you on track. And occasionally, guest expert sessions for deeper insights. In the first month, we will cover essentials like your emergency fund calculator, term insurance, how much you really need and why, mutual funds, direct versus regular, and a simple comparison of gold investment options. Let us be clear about what we want to do. No stock tips, no get-rich-quick schemes, no complicated jargon without explanation, and no one-size-fits-all advice. What we will do is explain everything in simple language, show real calculations and examples, compare options side by side, give you actionable templates, and always focus on the Indian financial context. This is not a one-way channel. Ask questions in the comments, suggest future topics, share your progress, and learn together as a community. In 6 months, you will have a clear financial plan, started your investments, sorted your insurance, a working savings system, and confidence in your money decisions. In the next video, we will cover the one-page financial plan everyone needs, releasing this Tuesday. So, are you ready to take control of your money? Hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and check the description for free resources. Your financial clarity journey starts now.